Good morning, all of you. I am Sushil Kumar Yadav. Today we will start about cybersecurity. First, we all introduce and get information about the roadmap of cybersecurity. Here is the roadmap of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity. The fundamental IT skills is required. Uh, Computer hardware components, connection type and their functions, OS independent troubleshooting, understanding basic popular suits, and much more. First, we will get information about the NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, infrared. This is the network connection types. And after this, MS Office suite, iCloud, Google suite. We will understand about it and study deeply. Firstly, and after that, we will start about operating system. Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac OS operating system. uh, and uh, all of these three operating system we will start installation and configuration, different versions and differences, navigation and navigating graphical user interface and command line interface, understand the permissions, installation software and applications, performing CURD operation on file, troubleshooting common commands of all this operating system we can understand. Basic subnetting. After that, we will start basic subnetting. Public and private addresses. IP topologies is the local host, loopback, CIDR, subnet mask, default gateway. About the terminology. The the terminology of this is VLAN, DMZ, ARP, VM, DHCP, DNS, NAT, IP, router, switch, VPN, MAN, LAN, WAN, WLAN. Understand of this all of things. We will conduct all of these things in upcoming lectures. Understand of this. This is a concept. DSCP, DNS, NPT, IPL, AM function of each we can understand on this. At, After that we can get information about network topologies. SSH, RDP, FTP, SFTP, HTTPS and SSL TLS. This is a network protocols we can understand about it and mm, learn about it in short time. And after that we will start the capturing the flag capturing. Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, Vulnerab, Poco CTF, Sun's Holiday Hack Challenge. All of these are the sites for the capturing the flag. Certifications we need in cybersecurity that can be a very facial thing. Certification that is a beginner certificate. CompTIA Plus, CompTIA Linux Plus, CompTIA Network Plus, CCNA, CompTIA Network Plus. Advanced certification. In this advanced certification, there is a CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, CIS, CISA, CISM, GSEC, GPEN, GWebPint, GWebPint, GIAC, OSCP, CREST, CISSP, and this all certificate are advanced certificates. We can learn about it also. From afterward, common virtualization technologies, VMware Workstation, VirtualBox, ESXi, Proxmox, and this is a common virtualization technologies. Basic virtualization, hypervisor, guest OS, host OS, and virtual, and troubleshooting tools. These are the all the troubleshooting tools. ifconfig, ping, dig, netstat, route, nmap, tcpdump, arp, tcert, nslookup, iptable, pocket sniffer, port scanner, and protocol analyzer. This technology we can learn on this after this roadmap. Troubleshooting technology we can learn we can after that we can authentication methodologies. We can Kerberos, Radius, uh, LDAP, SOS, SSO certification, local auth. These are technology we can learn after that. After we move forward to security skills and knowledge. In this, we can start understanding common hacking tools, understanding common exploit frameworks, understanding concept of defense in depth, understanding concept of run books, understanding basic forensics, understanding concept of hunting, basic vulnerability management, basic reverse engineering, penetration testing rules and engagement, parameterized we can use DMZ segmentations. You can learn about it. Core concept of zero trust algorithm. Zero trust is very important algorithm for cybersecurity. Roles of compliance and auditors. Understanding the definition and risk. Understanding the backup reliance. Cyber kill chain. We can understand all of this. Yeah. EMFA, 2FA, multi-factor authentication and two-factor authentication. We can understand in this security skill and knowledge. Honeypots. This is a server, but copy of server. It's operating system hardening. Understanding concept of isolation. Basic of IDS and IPS. Authentication versus authorization. We can understand of this. In the industry, blue teams, red teams, purple teams, they present false negative, false positives. All can understand true negative and true positive. We can understand all of this in the upcoming lectures. We can basic of threat intel and ISO net. Understanding handshakes. Understanding CIA triad. Privilege escalation. Web-based attack and web 10. Learn malware works and types. We can learn all about this. And after that, we can start tools for incident response and discovery. Dig and web. ARP, CAT, DD, tail, HPing, head, grep, NS lookup, Tracert, WinX, Atospy, ipconfig, curl, Wireshark, mimdump, sorry, FTK imager. We can understand about this. After that, we can start common standards. Understanding common standards. ISO, RMF, NIST, CIS, CSF. Understand using these understanding purposes, we can learn after LOLBAS, GTF bins, VEDM camps. Learn how to find these logs. Learn how to find the logs. There are different types of logs: event logs, system logs, net flow, packet capturing, firewall logs. We can understand. Understanding hardening concepts of MAC-based, NAC-based, port blocking, group policy, sinkhole, ACLs, patching, jump server, endpoint security, and more tools. After that, we can start the understanding common understanding the incident response process, that is preparation, identification, and containment, eradication, recovery, lesson learned. We can understand this concept, and understanding after that we can understand threat classification, different type of threats that can zero day trust and known unknown threats, APT threats. We can understand all of these concepts. And after that, common common attacks. Common attacks, that is DOS or DDoS, man in the middle attack, CSRAF, spoofing, SQL injection, XSS, evil twin. VLAN hopping, DNS poisoning, DAuth attack, replay attack, roach access point, buffer overflow, memory leak. We can understand all of this concept from upcoming videos. Memory, pass the hash, directory traversal. This is all concept of the systematic. The learning is important because we want to become a cybersecurity. Cloud skills and knowledge. After that, we can learn about it. Understanding the concept of security in the cloud, understanding the difference between cloud and on-premises, understanding the concept and infrastructure as cloud, understanding the concept of serverless, understanding the basic of general flow, deployment and cloud. After that, we can understand the cloud services. SaaS, PaaS, as is software as service, platform as service, infrastructure as service. All of this we can understand. Cloud modes, a private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud. These are the common modes used in the industries and in the real time today's world. Common cloud environment, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, and Azure. Cloud storages, S3, Dropbox, iCloud, Box on OneDrive, and Google Drive also we can use for the cloud. That is, after that we can learn about the programming languages, the programming skills. Python, Go, JavaScript, CPP, Bash, PowerShell. We can learn about all of these languages after that, and don't forget the keep learning is important thing in this field. We can learn much more, but understanding of all concepts and keep learning is important for the future of everything. This all the roadmap we can understand, and from tomorrow onwards we can start one by one concepts from computer hardware components, connection types and their functions. Learn afterwards. Start from tomorrow. Come with me to learn.